You can enter revolved triangle in a number of ways, but pyramid pose works well. It puts your legs in the right position. Begin with both legs straight and about 3 feet apart, and your hips should be squared towards the front of your mat. Take a deep breath, and with your hands on your hips, hinge your torso forward over your front leg. Keep the spine straight, and when you start to feel the spine wants to round, back off slightly. Place your hand directly under your left shoulder, inside your left foot or outside of your left foot. Place your left hand on your sacrum, feeling that it's level. Keep your hands in place as you twist your torso, opening up your chest to the left. And then raise your hand up to the ceiling, opening the chest and stacking your left shoulder over your right. Breathe deeply, and when you're ready, exhale as you untwist and release.